Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of algorithms and data structures to solve a classic coding problem from LeetCode. This one is called find the index of the first occurrence in a string. It's a real brain teaser, but don't worry, we will break it down step by step. All right, let's start by understanding the problem. We are given two strings, haystack and needle. Our task is to find the index of the first occurrence of needle in haystack. If needle isn't in haystack, we return -1. Now, let's look at the first solution, which is a brute force approach. We will walk through each line of the code. In this solution, we use a for loop to iterate through haystack character by character. At each iteration, we check if a substring of haystack of the same length as needle matches needle. If it does, we return the index I. If we reach the end of the loop without finding a match, we return -1. Now, let's talk about the time complexity. Since we have a loop that goes through haystack once, our algorithm has a time complexity of big O of n, where n is the length of haystack. And regarding space complexity, we are not using any extra data structures. So it's big O of 1. It's constant space. Okay, moving on to our second solution, which is more concise. Here, we are using Python's built-in find method. It searches needle in haystack and returns the index of the first occurrence, or -1 if not found. Super convenient, right? The find method searches for needle within haystack using an efficient string searching algorithms. It scans through the characters of haystack and checks if a substring of the same length as needle matches needle. If a match is found, it returns the index where the match starts. If no match is found, it returns -1. The algorithm used by the find method is often based on variations of the Knuth-Morris-Prati or Boyle-Moore algorithms, which are well-known string searching algorithms designed for efficiency. Okay, as for time complexity of this solution, the find method is highly optimized, running in big O of n time, where n is the length of haystack. Again, the space complexity is big O of 1 since we're not using additional memory. And there you have it, folks. We have tackled this LeetCode problem with two different solutions, one using brute force and the other with the built-in Python method. Coding challenges like these are an excellent way to sharpen your skills. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting coding tutorials. Happy coding, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.